your dreams is likely right here on the lot at Atomic Motors Classic Cars and Motorcycles. It's the place for classic vehicle restoration, sales, or maybe just to find your next favorite.
Thank you for being here.
Dr. Atomic says it's a sanctuary for automotive enthusiasts and connoisseurs of all things vintage.
This, from the last time I was here, is almost like a completely different showroom, which means you're getting new inventory all the time. Let's talk about some of the cars that people can find here at Atomic Motors.
Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of them. Every one of them comes with a warranty. It could be an MG, it could be a Cadillac, it could be a Porsche. Who knows, it could be a Duesenberg one day. Whatever your heart desires. If you have a favorite car, we probably have it here. If not, I'll go find it for you. So don't be bashful, and please make sure that you come and visit us anytime, Monday through Friday, from 8 in the morning until 5 at night, and then on Saturday and Sunday it's 10 to 2, and you get free donuts. So please bring the family. There's got to be something here for everybody that someone's really going to enjoy.
And we say for everybody because it's not just cars. You have tricycles, you have motorcycles. What else can people find here?
Well, we have the largest selection that we know of in the world of Harley-Davidson sidecar rigs. So let's say you're riding along one day and go, you know, I think I'm tired of putting my feet down at the light. Don't worry, you can take the whole family with you. So if a big Harley holds 1, 2, 3, 4, you can get 4 people in a sidecar rig. And we've got them all right here, and we build them here.
Machine shop, fabrication, upholstery, and paint services. Atomic Motors can handle all your restoration needs. Located on Sunset Road in Henderson, this campus is massive, including the 4 air-conditioned showrooms and gift shop.
Over 5,000 items. That's Dr. Atomic's Fusion Emporium. And remember, without you, it doesn't work. I need every one of you to come down and visit. Please, everyone at TV Land, make sure you get in here and visit me. We're always here for you. And if you ever need help or you need something, your car isn't working, and you got a problem from the rooter to your tutor, we'll help you out. We're someone here to help you with whatever it is.
When you say something for everybody, you really mean something for everybody. And the best part is, if people kind of miss out on seeing you here, they can see you on the casino floors here in Las Vegas, right?
Yeah, I got lucky. It wasn't my idea, but what a great idea, I think. There's a new Dr. Atomic and Atomic Motors slot machine.
Atomic Motors is a place you have to see to believe.
It's easy to find. Think of the big Galleria Mall, and we're here all the time for you. Please, MapQuest 704 West Sunset Road in Henderson, Nevada, 89011.
Absolutely stunning vehicles right here at Atomic Motors. Come on down, check it out.
Thanks for watching this segment from On the Lot. If you haven't already, be sure to watch full episodes by downloading the 5DRVtv app on Roku, Fire TV, or Apple TV.